guys, what's up? It's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I am finally back with a makeup tutorial. You guys have been requesting all over my Instagram, even on the comments here on YouTube, that you guys want me to bring back the makeup tutorials. I wanted to do something that was a little bit colorful, still kind of neutral, also something that's fun now for the fall season. If you celebrate Thanksgiving or Christmas, I think this is a really pretty look that you can do for any event, like holiday event or anywhere really you can wear this look. So I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this really pretty pinky purpley gold makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching.
Alrighty, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. I'm starting off with the brows. I believe I have a dedicated brow tutorial. I will link it down below for you guys, but I am just slightly penciling in my brows, nothing too crazy. And then I like to go in with a concealer to clean them up and also to prime the eyelids for eyeshadow. And I'm also going to take the concealer and I'm going to add it anywhere where I am breaking out a little bit or wherever I want to cover just a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and take this light brown shade and I'm going to put it all over the crease, and this is going to be my transition shade. And then I'm taking this really pretty kind of red rosy brown color and I'm going to work this in the outer corner of the eye, and I'm going to also bring it in towards the inner corner. I want it to be just as pigmented in the inner corner as it is in the outer corner. Then I'm going to take this reddish shadow and I'm going to place this again in the inner and outer corner and kind of blend it in to connect in the center. I like to go in with that first blending brush and just buff everything to make sure everything is nice and seamless. I'm taking a gold shadow and I'm going to pop that in the center of the eyelid just to give us a little extra pop. And I'm going to take the purple shade from the palette and I'm going to create a faux wing liner using this purple shade. I'm also going to take a nude pencil and apply that to the waterline, and I'm going to take that purple shade that I used as eyeliner and I'm going to put that in the lower lash line of the eye. Okay, so moving on to skin, I am taking the Fenty Beauty Skin Tint and I'm mixing that in with the It Cosmetics Better Than Skin kind of foundation. It's also a skin tint. It's very light. I absolutely love the way it makes my skin look. I mix the two together and then I'm going to go ahead and cream contour using my Bobbi Brown contour stick. I'm going to apply this up in the forehead, on the hollows of the cheeks, on the nose, pretty much around the perimeter of the face, wherever I want to look a little bit more bronzy. That's where I'm going to be applying this product. I've been using this for years. It's actually quite embarrassing. I need to change it up, but I just love it so much. I just love how easy it blends and I love the color of this contour stick. It's really a foundation, but I use it as a contour. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to concealer. This is my current favorite concealer. This is the Hourglass Vanish concealer. I'm applying this under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, in the center of the chin, in the center of the forehead, pretty much anywhere where I want to highlight and bring forward. I'm applying this product. I love this concealer. Like I'm telling you guys, I have not used anything else since I got this concealer. I'm going to go ahead and blend everything out using a damp beauty sponge. Make sure everything is nice and blended. And before I set everything, I'm going to go in with cream bronzer. This is the liquid blush from NARS in Orgasm. Now we're going to go ahead and set everything. I'm using my RCMA setting powder in translucent, and I'm going to apply this anywhere where I applied the concealer to lock it into place. I'm not going to bake for too long. I'm going to leave it for honestly a minute or two, and then I'm taking a bigger brush and I am just going to begin to buff that powder into the skin and really blend it out. I really haven't been baking too much. I feel like it's making me look a little bit too dry, so I haven't been doing it too much. For bronzer, I'm taking the Kylie Cosmetics Tequila Tan bronzer. I love this bronzer. It is the perfect undertone for my skin tone. I love it. And then for blush, I'm actually taking a mixture of two blushes. I'm taking Kylie Cosmetics Winter Kiss, and I'm also taking the Tres Luce blush in On The Move. These two together are so beautiful. tutorial, I start with On the Move, and then I put the Kylie Cosmetics right at the apple of the cheek because it's a more pinky tone. For the lips, I'm going to start by lining the lips using the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade, I believe this is Coconut. And then I'm going to use the KKW Nude 2 lipstick in the center of the lips. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my top and lower lashes. And I did apply some falsies. And yeah, that's it. This is the finished look.
All right, you guys, so that is going to complete today's video. I am so excited to finally be back to making makeup tutorials. That is how I started on social media, and it will forever be one of my favorite things to do. Whenever I sit down to film these videos, it's kind of like a therapy for me. I freaking love it. That is going to be it. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up and turn on your post notifications so that you can get notified every single time I upload. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah!